It's Sophie Bakari, and you're tuning into Arafa's Watch Party.
The Real Housewives of Abuja. This is the first episode, and I can't wait to talk to everybody that's here. Just find out what everybody's expecting to see.
It's the first watch party of the first seasons of the Real Housewives of Abuja. What's your favorite 007 movie?
I would say probably Skyfall. I'd say Die Another Day.
Can you please tell the viewers what they should expect from an Arafa party?
Elegance and fun. You're definitely gonna have a good time.